This is writing in the 21st century. It is literacy for a new generation. It is building a different democracy. It is building a different culture where people participate in the creation and the recreation of the culture around us, a form of culture that has existed from the beginning of human society all the way through the present except for one century, the 20th century.
Si vau néixer al segle XX, com jo, segurament us sona aquesta cançó que sentiu i segurament vau créixer mirant les creacions de Walt Disney. A mi m'encanten, com en Cory Doctorow, que deu ser l'únic activista del copyright que hi ha al Club del Mickey.
En definitiva, això és pirateria maquillada. Quan surts et trobes una botiga de records immensa plena de coses pirates. Jo sempre hi entro i dic, carai, tu, em venen unes ganes de baixar-me una pel·li?
I'm a big fan of this man, Walt Disney. I'm a big fan of his work because his greatest works demonstrate beautifully how culture builds on the past. What Walt Disney did, better than perhaps anybody else, was to take works that were in the public domain and updated it and made it relevant for our age.
Slave. Real boys?
His work was always continuing the conversation of a culture. It was an expression through a remix of the stuff that went before.
En Walt era un artista del mashup. Steamboat Willie es basava en Steamboat Bill. A les seves notes, bàsicament, donava instruccions a l'equip perquè anessin a fusellar Steamboat Bill. I els hi deia el que havien de treure'n perquè la gent sabés que era una referència a Steamboat Bill. El Mickey representava el doble de qualsevol, una mena de personatge genèric. Per això crec que ens deien que ens hi identifiquéssim. I quan et diuen que t'identifiquis amb el Mickey, a vegades ho fas.